Let's talk about showing data. Let's go to the web.php. Let's create a new route. Let's call it maybe user and anonymous function. Let's return user, find the ID 1. Let's see. So when we return the user, it's showing name, email, mail verified at, two-factor confirm. But this is kind of security issue to showing email every user, two-factor auth confirmed or not, and other things. We can control it by going the user model. We can say we want to hide email. It will hide the email. And the vice versa, we can say visible only, let's say, name, ID, it will only show the ID and name. But sometimes we need the user email. The user is logged in, then we need the email as well. But in this way, we are showing every user email address rather than signed in user. So to control it, we can use API resource of Laravel. So if we see, let's run this command and make a user resource. So user resource created in the resource folder. Let's hide it. And let's reload. It's showing everything with password as well. Let's go to the HTTP resources, user resource. Let's return our array that we want to show. Like we need ID. We can say this ID. We need name of the user. Let's say this name. We need created at column. Let's say created at let's see. To make it work, we have to wrap the user model by using our newly created user resource. And the user resource have make method. Let's see. So it's showing only the data we wanted to show. But the situation is the email address should be shown only the signed in user. So you have to give a condition in our user resource. let's say only show the email when this user ID equal request user then ID. If this happen, then show the email. So it will make an error if it's not signed in. So we have to make it conditionally if request user then get the ID and show the email. Let's see. It's not showing the email because our user ID is 1. Let's see. The one is Janet46. But if we go to dashboard, but we logged in this user. Let's see. This user ID is 4. Let's see 4. If we make it 4, then it will show the email address. So we control a security leak. Let's create post resource as well. Make resource post resource. In the post resource, let's show ID this ID, then title body. Let's make another route called post model and post resource. Let's grab the post number 3. Okay. Here's another benefit of the user API resource. We can grab the user of this post. Let's say we want user ID. Then we can say this user. We can say user. Then we have to pull user resource. Then make and this. We have to pass the user we want. We have the user ID in our post, so we can grab the ID from there. Let's see. So this is a nice and cleaner way we can grab the user of the posts. We didn't get the email because this is not the signed in user. If we want to get the email, let's say The user number 4, no, the user 4 didn't post anything. That's why it's not showing the email.